Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Xero. The first thing I'm going to review are pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the dashboard and also how to create an invoice and what are some features that I like and don't like. So let's start. You have two plans here on Xero. So the first plan is for the globe and also then for the US. And then you get also UK, but when I compare the US and globe, the globe is more expensive. The US got $11 per month, and then you got $42 per month. First 2 months are 50% off. Now, the pricing plan is all right. It's less expensive comparing to QuickBooks, but it's more expensive comparing to FreshBooks and others. You can check when you have the growing, that you have capture bills and receipts with HubDoc, enter bills, okay. But one thing I don't really like, you can actually track projects only for $62 a month. This is like a steal in my eyes, and I think it's quite expensive when QuickBooks offers you for less money, and also QuickBooks too. So this is something that I don't like, that you can track projects only for $62 a month. And I know that you got everything else there, but I really think that the tracking projects should be in growing or early. When you come here to the dashboard of Xero, I have first one disadvantage on Xero, that the learning curve is high. Comparing to QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave, ZipBooks, and Zoho Books, I think Xero is the most difficult one to understand and to organize everything in it. The second thing is that I don't really like, and I'm not being negative, I'm just gonna give you what I think about it, is that in Xero you don't have tracking time. You can have the timer like you have in FreshBooks or when you have in Zoho. You can only just add a time, at least right now. Then when you would go to like plus here, and you can add an invoice, bill, content, quote. Other than that, it's really complex. Accounting, when you would click here on reports, you got so many reports like you've got in QuickBooks. So that's really great. When you would come here to business, you can simply create invoice. You have templates for invoice. So that's really great. And you can like credit notes, send statements. And other than that, Xero is damn complex. I click here new invoice. To item description, amount, and then you see contacts here, customers, suppliers, everything, projects, and it's pretty much it. I mean, it's nothing really hard to understand, but comparing to every other accounting software, the Xero, you need longer time to actually get a hold into it and understand how it actually works. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I hope someone helped you to get it. Xero is amazing software that you can use. The pricing is a little bit expensive. You got advanced reporting, but other than that, it's good. It's easy. When you would click here on a new bill, you can simply add that. The bank reconciliation is easily understandable. And one thing I really like about Xero, that you have all contacts together, customers, suppliers, literally everything. And then you're gonna see the tax compliance and stuff like that. And I just click a new project, draft in progress. And as I mentioned, you can add a time entry, but you can actually track the time straight away for the project. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.